We know how to work with plain text, but real-world data has structure, like tables, lists, and complex objects. So how do you save that structure in a file? Today, we're diving into two of the most important data formats in programming: CSV for tabular data and JSON for structured objects. CSV stands for comma-separated values. Think of it as a simple spreadsheet saved in a text file. Each line is a row, and commas separate the values in that row. Python's built-in CSV module makes it incredibly easy to work with. To read a CSV, you create a reader object. This lets you loop through the file, and it gives you each row as a list of strings. Next is JSON. If CSV is a spreadsheet, JSON is a Python dictionary. It's the standard for web APIs and config files because it can store more complex, nested data using key-value pairs. Python's JSON module is your tool here. You use json.load to read a JSON file and instantly convert it into a Python dictionary. To save a dictionary to a file, you use json.dump. So, which one should you choose? It's simple. Use CSV for flat, tabular data. Think spreadsheets, data logs, or any simple table. Use JSON when your data is hierarchical or nested. Think user profiles, application settings, or complex data from an API. If it fits neatly in a table, it's a job for CSV. If it's a complex object, JSON is the way to go. You can now handle two of the most common data formats in the programming world. This is a massive step that opens the door to working with APIs, datasets, and complex configuration files. Ready to put it into practice? Try the Read User Credentials problem on CodeChef to test your new data parsing skills. Code, debug, repeat. Build mastery with CodeChef.